I'm going to be giving you 3 props in this podcast, and each of these are going to be helping you summon the power of reframing. Are you ready for it? Thank you so much for being here. This is Karthik. Welcome to the Performance Edge podcast. And in this podcast, I thought I'll give you some easy props that you are already aware of and how to use them to summon, literally to command that superpower that we actually have, but we kind of forget about the power of reframing. The first prop is a frame. It's a frame that I would want you to hold in your hand. Just imagine that you are holding it in your hand right now. And this is the frame through which you're going to play the past events that your mind has, that your thoughts keep, that you keep thinking about constantly and consistently. Play it through this frame. And the present events that are going on in your life, play it through this frame. And the future events, also just put it through the frame. And if you're someone who truly wants to be in a state of positive ranges of emotions, joyful and more confident, and an ecstatic state, or even a state of optimism, and being in those positive states, what is it that you're going to write on this frame? How are you going to play the past, present, and the future events through this frame? That is for you to decide. Because until you reframe the situation is never going to change. Until you put a different title to the movie, it always feels like it's a horror, or it's a tragedy, or a sad movie kind of a thing. I hope this is making sense to you. So start reframing your situations from the past, present, and also in the future that are going to happen, and simply play it through this frame and give it a positive reframing. Okay, it can be, okay, you know what? I'm just going to honor the struggle that I'm going through. I'm just going to be respectful towards this person while I'm going through this challenge. It can be that kind of a simple reframing. What is it for you? What are the things that you keep playing from the past that's not allowing you to, experience positive ranges of emotion? That is for you to decide. The second prop that I'm going to be giving you here is a microscope. So what we tend to do is, microscope, it enlarges everything and shows as if you can't see anything else but that one specific thing, right? And we tend to look at problems that way. We tend to put problems through a microscope, blow it up so big that we only look at that. Instead, I would want you to look at it through the microscope, but look at it through a scope of learning. So whenever you failed, whenever there is a problem that has happened, look at it through the microscope of learning. Just, you can go deep on that, but not from a perspective of looking at it as a big problem, but from a perspective of learning from it. You just learned from that. That's the second prop. The third prop that I want to give you today is a golden lens. You have a lens which magnifies things, right? This is a golden lens which double magnifies things than the regular lens. And this is the golden lens of gratitude. So when you start looking at events and anything, any specific activity through this lens, or even before you start off something, just look at it through the golden lens of gratitude. You will see that the life looks amazing. It feels worthwhile being on this planet. On this planet, which, if you have been in touch with scientific community, they haven't yet figured out any other intelligent life forms in our galaxy. As of now, at least. Right? At least the time when I'm sharing this message with you. So please start looking at your life and through events, through tasks, through this golden lens of gratitude. You know what? A lot of people did not even have that job that you are complaining about. They don't even have that job. And if they were to be in your position, they would be doing a great job because they have learned that you have to be grateful to what you already have. If you got a cool message, please don't forget to share it with someone who needs these props. The props of a super frame, an awesome microscope, and also a golden lens of gratitude. Okay, please share this and let me know what you thought about it. So let's keep reframing. Let's keep growing in this quest of achieving long-term results and long-term success. Thank you so much. This is Karthik signing off. I'll catch you soon in the next one. Take care.